So we are in Ellicott City, Maryland. This is our snowstorm. That's our smoker. Here's our. That's actually a trash can, a full-size trash can. It's covered in snow. These are bird feeders. Just pan the area real quick. There is a deck under here, I swear to God. But you can tell from the size of the snow that we're getting demolished here. Some icicles on the house.
Someone's come out with you.
See, all the icicles. And someone's coming out to shovel snow. You gonna shovel some snow? You shovel snow? Go get them. Go, go, go. There's good old Rana trying to make it through the snow. So as you can plainly see, we've gotten demolished by this snow. The birds are still out though. This is our walkway. You hear the wind picking up. See the trees moving. They're just swaying back and forth because there's so much wind, so all the snow, every time you shovel it, it just pushes back onto where you just shoveled. So we're gonna be here a while. And this is look how much snow is just on our deck. And we've shoveled. My dog knows how to take poopers. Yeah, it was a pooper.